Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will start with step 1 to grade 1. So we will just make a quick revision for the additional and the subtraction as a revision since you are going to grade 1. So it will be more clear for you. We will make everything easier. We will do some pages to let you practice more and more for addition. So let's begin with this video. Today we will start with 2 pages. We will watch this video to clarify what will the lesson talk about.
Kenny has picked some cubes. How many red cubes did he pick? Kenny picked 4 red cubes. How many blue cubes did he pick? He picked 2 blue cubes. How many cubes does he have in all? He has 6 in all. You can describe the parts as 4 and 2. You can add to find the sum or the whole. What is the sum of 4 and 2? 6 is the sum of 4 and 2. You can write an addition equation to show the parts and the whole. What number tells us how many are in the red part? Select your answer. 4. What number tells us how many are in the blue part? Select your answer. 2. How many cubes are there in all? 6. Let's read the addition equation together. 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Kenny picked 6 cubes in all.
Okay guys, so as we saw in the video, it's telling us about describing how many red cubes and how many red cubes, and we want to make an equation using these different colors cubes. So the first one is Kenny picked 4 red cubes, then she picked 2 blue cubes. So how many cubes in all she had? What we did is that we separated the red cubes alone, so there are 4, and we separated the 2 blue alone also. We made 2 groups. So we have 2 blue cubes. Okay. So in all, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. So the equation will be 4 red cubes plus 2 blue cubes equals 6 cubes together. Okay, so our equation will be 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, we will see some equations here in the book, and we're gonna do them together. Let's begin. So if you notice in the first 2 boxes we have here, we will just trace the numbers of the equation, but next time you will practice many equations by yourself. In the first part, how many I have? I have 3 green cubes, right? In the second part, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have 4. In all, I have how much? Do you remember what did we say when we were talking about addition? We said we need to compare which number is bigger, 4 or 3. The big number, I will put it inside my mind, and the small number, I will put it in my hand. So I will put the 4 in my mind because it's bigger than 3, and I will put 3 on my hands, and I will continue counting. So 4, 5, 6, 7 in all. Great job, everyone. Okay, so our equation was 3 plus 4 equals 7, right? Okay, I will make it thinner, then my writing will be more clear. Okay, let's go to number 2. We need to build an equation using these yellow cubes. In the first group, I see 2 yellow cubes. In the second group also I have 6. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Great job. How did I know? I put 6 in my mind and 2 in my hands, and I continue counting. 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8. Fine. Now let's go to the next page for today. Our next page also will have the same type of equations. We will practice more and more. As you know, it's all revision. We will write 2 equations and we want them to be related equations. That means we want to use the same numbers. And both of them will give me the same equal. So it will give me the same result. So let's begin with the first one. In the first group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. In the second one also I have 4 cubes. In all, they are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I want to write another related fact to the first one, so it will be the same because they are equal numbers. They are the same numbers, 4 and 4, right? Great job. Okay, let's go to number 4. In the first group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. In the second group, I have 2 cubes. In all, how will I know the result? Which one is bigger, 4 or 2? The 4 is bigger than the 2, so I will put it in my mind and I will put 2 on my fingers and I will start counting from 4. 4, 6, 7. I will count 2 fingers. 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Great job. And also I can write it with a different way. 2 plus 4 also would equal 6. They are related facts. Do you remember when we talked about the related facts? We said there are 2 sums which have the same numbers but with different sequence. Fine. Let's go to the number 5. We have 6 plus 1 equals 7. How did Miss Sara know? The 6 will be put in my mind and I will put 1 finger on my hand. 6 and 7. I will count 1 more on my fingers, so it will be 7. If I want to make it a related fact, it will be 6 plus 1. Great job, everyone. Let's see the higher order thinking. Jim picked up 7 rocks. He picked up 4 of them on his way to school. He picked up the rest on his way home. How many rocks did Jim pick up on his way home? Draw a picture to solve and then write the equation. Okay, so as we said, Jim picked 9 rocks. So what will the result be? The result will be 9 in all he had, right? He picked 4 of them when he was going to the school. So 4 plus. Then he picked up the rest on his way home. How many did he pick when he was going to home? How will I know the result, guys? So I will start counting from 4 till I reach the 9. 4 in my mind. 5. Let's draw. He had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Plus what will give me 9. Okay? He had 4. I will keep counting till I reach the 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will equal 9. So it will be 4 plus how many stones here? How many rocks? 5 will equal the 9. Ta-ta-ta-tan. That's it. It's so easy, I think, and it's so fun to know the sums and to do many equations with telling stories. As you know, this is an equation. We built it while we were telling a story. So it's 4 plus 5 will equal 9. This was our lesson for today, guys. It's just a revision as improving your skills in adding and subtracting. Since you are going to grade 1, I hope you all practice very well and prepare yourself very well to go to grade 1 and to be a very good thinkers about solving these equation problems. Till that time, guys, I want to say goodbye to you. See you tomorrow.